This review gathers insights from various users across the internet to provide a comprehensive understanding of the small tabletop waterfall fountain by SURPRIZON. This indoor desktop water fountain is designed to bring a sense of tranquility and aesthetic appeal to any home or office space. It features a compact size of 12 inches long, 6 inches wide, and 13 inches high, making it suitable for tabletops without occupying too much space. The fountain is constructed primarily from stone and includes natural river rocks to enhance its natural look. It operates on corded electric power and weighs just 1.35 pounds, making it lightweight and easy to move around. One of the key highlights of this fountain is its artistic design that combines stone and flowing water to replicate the soothing sights and sounds of a gentle spring. The water flows over multiple tiers, creating a calming waterfall effect. It includes a built-in quiet submersible pump that circulates the water continuously, which helps keep the water cleaner and free from algae buildup. The fountain also comes equipped with color LED lights that change colors, adding a peaceful and calming glow, especially useful for nighttime ambience. Users appreciate the option to add natural river stones to any tier or the basin, which adds a personalized touch of natural beauty. Performance-wise, many users report that the fountain works well and looks beautiful, fitting nicely on desks or tables and enhancing the decor of their space. The sound of the water trickling is generally described as soothing and relaxing, which is ideal for meditation, stress relief, or simply creating a peaceful environment. The LED lighting feature is praised for its gentle color changes that contribute to the tranquil atmosphere. However, some users have noted drawbacks, particularly concerning the noise level of the pump. Several reviews mention that the pump produces a buzzing or motor sound that can be louder than the water itself, which detracts from the relaxing experience. This noise issue has led some to feel that the fountain is not as calming as expected. Additionally, a few users have reported that the LED light does not change colors anymore after some use, and there are questions about the availability of replacement bulbs. Assembly of the fountain can be a bit challenging for some, with a few users mentioning difficulty in putting it together initially. Despite this, once set up, the fountain generally operates as intended. The on-off switch adds convenience, allowing users to control the fountain easily without unplugging it. In terms of aesthetics, the fountain is well received for its modern and natural look. It adds a stylish element to any room and is noted for impressing guests. The combination of natural stone, flowing water, and LED lighting creates a serene focal point that enhances the ambiance of home or office spaces. Overall, the small tabletop waterfall fountain by SURPRIZON is a visually appealing and functional decorative piece that offers soothing water sounds and calming LED lights. While it excels in design and ambiance, the noise from the pump and occasional issues with the lighting are notable cons. Potential buyers should consider these factors and read user feedback to ensure it meets their expectations. If you own this fountain, please leave your review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support this channel and provide easy access for those interested.